Okay, so question. Is your love for the teaching profession is enough for you to leave your family and volunteer to be a public school teacher in the Kalayaan Island? Yan, actually, this issue is about the news circulating in the social media, on which it is stated therein that many public school teachers are now volunteering to serve as public school teacher in the Kalayaan Island. So, para sa kaalaman nating lahat, itong Kalayaan Island ay isa sa mga isla na nasa West Philippine Sea, kung saan controversial ito ngayon for the reason that it is being subject to territorial dispute by many countries, not only the Philippines but also China and Vietnam. Pero ang number one na kalaban natin dito, and one of the primary claimant in here, is the People's Republic of China. So the Kalayaan Island basically is from the province of Palawan, part of the Philippines, and the Philippine government is also claiming its sovereignty over it. Ang basis natin dito is yung tinatawag nating UNCLOS, or yung United Nations Convention on the Law of the Seas. Sa pamamagitan ng batas na ito, legally na i-consider ang mga lugar na yon from the baseline, which is yung dulo ng Pilipinas, hanggang sa 200 nautical miles ng karagatan. So paano natin i-compute yun? So magsimula tayo yung tinatawag nilang baseline method. Yung pinakadulo ng island ng Pilipinas, so i-consider niyo yun as baseline, no? Tapos mag-measure kayo from that baseline extending to all the bodies of water amounting to 200 nautical miles. So malawak-lawak yun. So sa sukat na yun, those islands falling within the West Philippine Sea are being claimed by the Philippines by basis of the UNCLOS. Nevertheless, itong Chinese government or the People's Republic of China also asserting their jurisdiction or sovereignty over the same territory on basis of historical claims. So paano? Meron silang nakalkal na mapa. Allegedly, it is an historical map that makes them assert that they are the first persons to be occupying those islands. So doon pa lang alam na natin na talagang hindi magkasundo ang Pilipinas at China. Dagdag pa yung mga ibang claimant ng lugar o isla ng mga ito. So kung kayo ang tatanungin, actually hanga ako doon sa mga teachers na yon, kasi for me, although I love teaching profession, sa akin hindi ko kayang iwan yung pamilya ko, talikuran yung personal na buhay ko to volunteer myself as teacher of that Kalayaan Island, especially the fact that you will be encountering also the tensions there. So kahanga-hanga talaga sila. Ngayon, kung kayo yung tatanungin ko, are you also willing to volunteer yourself to become a public school teacher with the same compensation plus the hazard pay, just